Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of TikTok. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will scrolling down until you find this application of TikTok and you will click. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK, and then you will enter to the window of storage, and after that you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.